So today we are just out doing some grocery runs, and there's actually quite a lot of people today because it's the weekend before Thanksgiving. So I know everyone is trying to make sure they get everything they need because obviously the stores are going to be closed next week, and thank goodness we only work 3 days next week, so we get a 4-day weekend. So I'm really looking forward to that. Alright, hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the stuff that I bought last week, and one of the items I'm actually wearing it right now, but I will show you guys the other two. It's the same pair of pants, just different colors, and these are actually joggers. I got them from Forever 21. This is the first pair. It's like a dark denim, and the one I have on right now, it's like a medium wash, and then I have a light wash, and I got all of them in a small to medium. They don't have like exact number pant size, so it just goes from small to medium and medium to large. I got them all for $24.99 each, and if you guys know me, you guys know that I don't ever wear jeans because I have a really hard time finding jeans that will actually fit me. So I stay away from them as much as I can. So when I saw these, I didn't plan on buying them, but I was like, you know what, I'll just try them on and see how I feel. And when I tried them on, I absolutely love them. So that's why I decided to get 3 colors. The first pair is this dark denim wash, and it just has this drawstring right here, and it's actually very stretchy, and the material itself is actually very flexible, very stretchy, so it's very comfortable. You don't feel restricted. It has more of that boyfriend type of fit to it, so it's a little bit more loose and more on the comfortable side. The second one that I have is the light wash, so it looks like this. They're all the same, and they do scrunch up at the bottom right here, and they fit me perfectly. They hit right at the ankle. So the one that I have on right now is the medium wash. I won't be able to show you guys right here. I'll show you guys in another clip on what they look like. These are my new favorite jeans. I've been wanting to get a pair of boyfriend jeans for so long, but they're so expensive and I can never find one that fits me. So these were definitely a big hit for me. I haven't bought anything from Forever 21 in so long. Every time I go in there, I just walk back out because their stuff is more targeted towards, I feel like, the younger girls now. So when I go in there, I just feel like I'm too old for the store. But I was really surprised to find these and I absolutely love them. The next things I got from Forever 21 is all scrunchies. I got them in a variety of color. I have like a pinkish purple one, a really pretty tan orange mustard color, a white one, a black one, and a really pretty mint color. So these are huge. As you guys can tell, they're not your regular size scrunchie. They are extra large. So they're super cute. I love them. And I love the details on it. The fabric is really nice. It has more of like that rigged detailing to it. I picked up some hair accessories from TJ Maxx. I got these extra large clips along with these smaller ones. I repurchased my Clean It Zero Vanilla Co cleansing balm. I've used this before. I really like it. If you are looking for a cleansing balm, I recommend this one. I got it for $14.99 instead of $22. If you're like me where you don't wear makeup every day anymore, then this will last you a while. The last item I have is by Laneige. I've never used any of their products before, but I heard really good things about it. I got this for $19.99 instead of $33. It's a water sleeping mask, and since I have oily skin, I like products that are more on the lightweight side, the more hydrating texture, more gel-like consistency versus thicker creams, because my face is so oily that I don't want to add anything that's gonna weigh it down. And the last thing I got was also a nail polish, and sorry I'm going really fast because my battery is actually gonna die. And this is actually by Orly. I've been wanting a really nice sheer nude color because my nails are just so boring. I don't go to the nail salon. I don't do anything with them. So I figure I can at least paint them like a really nice beige color or like a nude color so that they look a little bit more put together. So yeah, so that's everything I got. Sorry, I'm like talking really fast because my camera's gonna die. And I'm gonna go eat because I'm so hungry. I have not ate anything yet. Today is Thanksgiving and we're on our way to his grandpa's house for a family dinner, and then we're gonna head over to my brother's house after that. So we don't really have much planned, and we're not planning to go Black Friday shopping, not that I'm aware of, but yeah, we'll see what happens later. But I'm so ready to eat. I've been kind of starving myself all day just so I can eat all the delicious food for later. But we'll take you guys along with us so that you guys can see our family and see what we're eating. And I hope you guys are having a really good Thanksgiving, whether you're spending it with your family or by yourself. So just be safe and have fun. I am back on the road again, and we are heading to Seattle today. We're not planning to sleep, but we did pack some extra clothes just in case, worst case scenario, that we have to stay. We have the things that we need. So yeah, I wanted these dressers from IKEA. They match the dresser set that I have, but these ones are 3 drawers. I've been wanting them, but they've been out of stock, and a couple months back I checked, they were in stock, but then it was hunting season, so my husband went hunting. So this Monday I checked again and they had them in the store, so we're gonna be going. I bought them already, I just need to go pick them up. So we're gonna hit all the places we usually do. So we're gonna see if we can make this a one-day trip. If not, I'm okay sleeping one night there, but we'll see. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, my heart's gonna explode. Like this.
Go bring me Coco.
got a whole bunch of food from H Mart. I think this is fish cake. I've never had it before, but it's a, well, I've had fish cake, but not this. It's a chef special. It smells good, y'all. Mmm. You gotta dip it with that food.
Really rubbery.
So it looks like this. Good? The pork's good?
You got a nice char.
Mmm.
Have rice underneath?
Mm-hmm.
It's got that charbroil.
That's good. So we just finished eating and we're throwing away our trash. And after this, we're gonna head to the Bellevue Mall as always to go and shop. And we're actually gonna spend a night here. The plan was just to come for the day, but then our day started a little later than we had expected. So we're gonna sleep one night here and then just wake up tomorrow morning, do what we need to, and then just go home. So I went into Uniqlo and they didn't really have that much stuff, so I just bought a little bit, like a 2 shirts and like a sweater jacket. I'm gonna go to the other one tomorrow, so I'll go shop there. And we picked up some honey lemon, and this one actually is happy lemon, looks like that. And this one is a ube green tea smoothie with crema. I think that's like the cheese foam, so hopefully it's good. That's pretty good. I just got the winter melon fresh milk tea with tapioca. This is so good. Did you drink it? Mm-hmm. And we also really like eating their boba waffles, so we just got a regular one. They're so cute. They made it super crispy too. We're actually gonna head to Renton. We're gonna be spending the night here just because we got here a little later than we had wanted to, so it's just better for us to spend the night here than try to go home when it's like dark, because it gets really dark now, especially earlier. Brain freeze? Why do you get brain freeze so often? Do you try to eat one of them when you eat it? These are so good. I didn't realize this was the shape of a lemon. Did you know that? That's so cute. Happy lemon. really pretty, but it doesn't taste that great, especially if you don't like the taste of sour yogurt, kind of like Greek yogurt. So this is a red heart dragon fruit yogurt. It's really pretty though.